In this video, I'll show you how to create a playlist on YouTube Music, whether you're using your phone or a computer, and you want to build a playlist of your favorite songs or tunes to help you study. I'll walk you through the process. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe below. It really supports me. Thanks. First, open the YouTube Music app. There are two easy ways to make a playlist. The first is to tap on Library at the bottom right of the screen. From here, look for the New button at the bottom right again. Tap that and select Playlist from the options. Now, you can give your playlist a title. I'm going with Chilled Tracks. You can also add a description and choose whether the playlist is public or private. For now, I'll keep it private so it's only visible to me. Then hit Create. Your playlist is now set up, and you'll see suggestions for songs you can add. Simply tap the plus icon to include them in your playlist. If you want to add a specific song, you can search for it. Let's say I want to add something by The Weeknd. After searching, tap on a song, and then select Save to Chill Tracks. That will add the track to your playlist. Alternatively, if you're listening to a song from the home screen and want to add it to a playlist, you can do that too. Let's say we're playing a song by Lil Nas X. Tap the three dots in the top right corner, and you'll see the option to Save to Playlist. Tap it, and your song is automatically added. Go back to the Library section and tap on it again. Here, you'll see all your created playlists. You can always add new songs, delete playlists, or change the songs in any of your playlists. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like the video and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.